Hi, I'm Chasity Swartzel, Program Director with California START San Andreas.
And I'm Kristin Gratz, Clinical Director at California START San Andreas.
Today, we're going to take a look at the impact of a global pandemic, COVID-19, on biopsychosocial stressors through a comparative analysis utilizing the RSQ.
The RSQ is a tool that was developed by Dr. Lauren Charlo to assess individuals with IDD experiencing increased emotional or behavioral stress or who may be in crisis due to suspected acute mental health concerns. It uses a biopsychosocial aspect to assess stressors.
RSQ outcomes at intake indicate an average experience of 27 to 29% of stressors. It's important to gain insight about these stressors to help assess strengths, vulnerabilities, and identify strategies to support the individual in their system.
This graph indicates individual stressors with the largest increase pre and post-COVID. Many of the increases were related to social change and vegetative state. Vegetative state can be related to mental health symptoms, so we took a look at intake diagnoses. Right here are the mental health conditions at intake. What we noticed was that an individual may be misdiagnosed when the symptoms of extreme stress reaction are mistaken for behavioral problems, psychosis, or other psychiatric disorders.
As Kristin shared, these more vegetative symptoms that correlate with more mental health symptoms can lead to crisis and hospitalizations, which we know can be traumatic and further exacerbate crisis. We did see an increase in crisis contact through our crisis line post-COVID, while also seeing a decrease in emergency hospitalization and psychiatric care.
We use this information to shape interventions from a tertiary care perspective, with primary interventions focusing on assessment and training, secondary ongoing assessment and crisis planning, and when necessary, providing emergency support, emergency assessment, and crisis follow-up.
Special thank you to the Center for START Services, YAI, San Andreas Regional Center, and our California START San Andreas team.